This one's called Rainstorm. Another original I wrote a little while ago. It's not going to be on my CD that comes out in September though, it'll be on the next one. Haven't recorded this one yet. Well, I was born in the middle of the night, in the middle of a rainstorm. My daddy was the runaround kind and wasn't there. He could be found in any bar in New Orleans. Mama raised us by herself in that rundown town. My brother, he left home when he was 16. Climbed aboard a shrimp boat and sailed away. He comes home, he gives our mama money, taking care of mama, and that's okay. Well, I was born in the middle of the night, in the middle of a rainstorm. My daddy was the runaround kind and wasn't there. He could be found in any bar in New Orleans. Mama raised us by herself in that rundown house. Okay. My sister married a lawyer from New York City. She's living the high life and wearing pearls, drinking champagne and hanging with the rich friends. Much too busy for us, and that's a shame. I was born in the middle of the night, in the middle of a rainstorm. My daddy was a runaround kind and wasn't there. He could be found in any bar in New Orleans. Mama raised us by herself in that rundown house. Me, I'm still living in New Orleans, tending bar in a local dive. It ain't much, but man, it's a living, doing what I can to survive. I was born on the wrong side of town in the middle of a rainstorm. My daddy was a rambling man and wasn't there. He could be found in any bar in New Orleans. Mama raised us by herself in that rundown house. Mama raised us by herself in that